Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit Verge Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here on this panel you should see the lock icon, this one. You can tap on it to enable to disable the touchscreen, basically lock it. And now the touchscreen is disabled and we can't use it, as you can see. This option is useful if you try to sleep, for example, with the watch on, or take a shower with the watch on. Basically, it will prevent the mistouches on the screen and screen going crazy or watch going crazy because it started detecting the touch on the screen. And to disable or rather to unlock the touchscreen rather, you can press the home button like this, and then it's gonna get unlocked like that. Quite simple. Okay, and that's how you disable or lock the touchscreen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.